now I'm going to show you how to change out the instructor information. So every semester when I copy over your Blackboard, there's a couple of extra steps that you have to do. You are going to have to change out the syllabus to be your own because it's mine with my name and contact information. You're also going to have to change out the instructor information. So for the instructor part of it, when you click over here to instructor information, which is this is what your students are seeing in Blackboard, instructor information, you can see my silly picture and my phone number and stuff. When you want it to change over to you, click on these little down arrows. You're going to say edit, and you're going to type in your name here. You're going to come down here and you're going to put your contact information, not my contact information. And you are going to have to select a different file for your picture. So whatever the picture is, I would recommend having a picture that you like just saved into your U drive that you can access every year. That's it. When you're done with that, you'll click submit. Once you click submit, you'll come back here. You'll see your name here, you'll see your picture here, and you'll see your information there. So super easy. Just be sure and go and do that because you don't want that. You don't want students thinking you look like that. So anyway, super easy to do.